looks like we are live. Yo, what up, Ben? Alright, looking into today, we have Mr. Powell speaking. Mr. Powell speaking at 10:30. Probably gonna have to wait for him. If not, we'll be done before. My quant, yes. What up, Jonah? Looking at the higher time frame gaps, I mean, we're about to trade into this 4-hour up here. Not quite there yet. We're currently trading inside a 4-hour as well. You can see. So we have two higher time frame confluences already. We have these 1 minute gaps. Honestly, there's no like 5 minutes that we can take around this range. And this weird candle at 725 that was about 131 points. I don't know what happened. Let me see the 1 minute. Yeah, 121 1 minute candle. Crazy stuff. What up, Gary? But yeah, we'll see what happens. Obviously, this week, I am looking forward to trading it. We have news in every single day. High impact news too. So this whole week is going to be good to trade. We just have to be really, really careful with our, with our trades, because we could get easily burnt out if we don't take the right trade. So, for this week, I'm looking at more confirmations than ever. Just something to tell me the story. And then once we have the bias set and everything, we just take the trade, let the charts handle it from there. Yeah, this 15 minute that we never closed above though. Oh, 1 second. Let me see on the 1 minute, did we ever close above it? No, we never closed above this. Alright, so this 15 minutes valid still. We're trading about right into it right now as well. So we have one gap to the upside as well. We have two little small gaps to the downside. So we'll see what we do when we first open. And looks like market just opened. Let's see what we do. Wow, this is very volatile already. Let's see if you can take out these highs in this one trade, in this one candle, honestly. How's y'all weekend, man? What y'all do? Anything new? Anything I need to know about? See how where ES is at. We still have marked out the high for ES. I will know whenever ES take out those London highs, if we do take those out. Got to dip in and out because of work. Golf all week. How have you been playing, Lewis? I want to go get back out there soon too. Technically, if this gap present itself a little later, we should be in this longs, but I'm glad we're not, because we could be in some drawdown right now, down about 25 points or so. But yeah, I want to see us take out some sort of higher time frame liquidity first, like London highs, or go towards these lows first. So until we do that, I'm staying cash. Nothing of interest, to be honest. Yeah, it's just a normal week, Hung out with some boys, with the boys. Are they 15-minute gaps or 5-minute gaps? These down here, these are 1 minute. There's no like 5 or 15 around this range that haven't been tested, so. That's why I will trade these with a grain of salt, honestly, right now. Like, I wouldn't mind shorting this gap right up here all the way down to maybe, these lows, but it's only been 5 minutes, so we'll see. Maybe we can take an entry off of this gap. Maybe something like this. This is something I'm looking at right now. This is a fairly early trade for me, but I'm liking the volume that we're getting in with, and so if you do close below 453, I would set my limits. To the downside. This is, yeah. Alright, set my limits. 453 to the downside. See if you get filled here. Obviously, only aiming for 62 points. So if we do get it, this is what the trade's gonna look like. But right now, I'm not in anything. Yo, what's up? Shorts. I'm looking at shorts right now. Yeah. Broke 80s twice. I changed my club set, so it's working pretty good. Hell yeah. Bro, I wish I could play that good golf, bro. Like, it's bad. It's bad around here. We're just running. If we get past these lows, I'll probably cancel my limits. Yep. Alright, well, canceling those. Wow, if he had gotten like, 4 more points of retracement, we'd be in these shorts right now. Be banking, but it is what it is. It took me a while to be good at golf. Yeah, bro, that's a commitment, honestly. Golf, like, it costs a lot of money, but once you're good, like, you get addicted to it, How long have you been playing for, bro? Oh, there's also this 15-minute that you can take. This is literally perfect. 60 points of lows. That's what I need. Let's see if you get it. 420 will be my fill. Alright, set my limits at 420.75 right here. Let's see if you get a retracement and get filled in these shorts. If you ride it down towards these lows, that's what we need. Alright, just got filled there. $481 is my stops. Alright, got everything set up. Let's see. We are in these shorts. I've been seeing a lot of selling pressure. So, I wouldn't mind going into a little drawdown because, there has to be pullbacks. But, trading inside is 4 hours. So, obviously, would want us to, hold it. We have London lows right up here. Right down here, my bad. 360. So, that's what we're targeting. And we will see if you get them or not. Probably about 10 points, 12 points right now. Oh, Zion, what up, Jonathan? Consistent like almost 3 years. Hell yeah, bro. Let's pull up to the Masters. Yeah, I wish, bro. I'll pull up to watch. Oh, so I'll go break even around here. This is my break even right here. Oh, wait, 1 second. I'll go break even around here, just to be safe. Even though, if we're past this level, we should, dump another 13 points, but we'll see. Up about 30 points here, boys. Oh my God, what a trade. Holy. Did anyone catch this? Did anyone catch this with me? Literally perfect to the tick. Got the entry that we wanted. Just made 1.1K. Done for the day. Yeah, bro, to watch it. Let's go. TP hit 52. Are you using your strategies right now? Yeah, of course. I got in like 2 minutes before you. Hell yeah. Let's go, boys. That's how we start a Monday off. That's how we start the week off. Let's see if we get break even here. 373.25. I'll move my stops to break even. Wow, what a trade. What a trade. Let's go. I need this to hit break even, bro. There we go. This is gonna be the push. Come on. What is ES doing? ES is still away from these. We're gonna get break even here. Let me set my stops to break even. Come on. Come on, NQ. Let me set my stops to break even. Let me set my stops to break even, NQ. Come on. Still not break even here. Still just waiting. Oh, Gabe's calling me. Yo.
We took those shorts, right?
I'm still in it. Towards lows.
Telling me that you took it too.
Yeah, I'm still in towards lows. I got.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you on the other side when we hit these lows, sir.
All right, bro. All right, well, it looks like Gabe's in these shorts as well. Come on, push them. Come on. Give me break even. Give me these lows. And we'll call it a day. Super easy, super simple. Come on, man. Just flush it. We need this to dump. ES is holding us back right now, bro. I don't like this. Come on, ES. Don't be like that. We need this to dump, man. Still up a pretty nice amount here. I mean, you guys can always, take profit whenever. You don't have to wait for me, but I'm going to wait for these lows to get hit. How much do you risk per trade? I'm risking about $600 per trade. I'm going for like 1-on-1s for these challenges. When in with 5 micros, so every trade that I take on this challenge. But usually I trade 1 mini, but just for the sake of this challenge, I'm doing 5 micros. I aim for 60 points and I risk 60 points, so 1-to-1. Can NQ just stop playing and just hit these lows, bro? Come on, don't be like that. We were so close to getting break even as well. We never got it. But what can we do? We just gotta stay in these. Still in this trade. Up about 25 points here, yo. At the peak of this trade, we were up. Max we were up was 45 points, but we're about to be up 60 points because we're about to hit TP. Come on. Give me break even. I got a lot of work to do, NQ. I don't want to sit on these shorts for a long time today, Get me out of here. Come on. Is this the candle that will get break even here? All right, break even, boys. We are break even on this trade. As you guys can see, we're break even. Move these stops right here. Still up about 50 points. Just want to get these lows taken out, and that's our TP. We're gonna take it out right now. Just like that. I got edged. I just got edged. Oh my god. Oh my, look at this. A point. We were a point away. Not even a point. Not even a full point away. This makes me mad. Bro, what are we doing? Oh my god, we were first time on here, crazy banger. Let's go. So allow yourself lose 3 trades on that 50K. Yeah, well, it's a $2,000 drawdown that I get every day. So about 3 trades in a row. W Zaim, let's go, bro. What with minis do you do 101 too? Yeah, I do. Come on, this is the push right here. Come on. Just take out these lows and we're good. Take out these lows and we're good. Come on, we're so close. We're up about 50 points, bro. Come on. No shot I get break even, right? No shot I get break even from here. If market reverses from here all the way up to 50 points in my other direction, like, you got it. Bang! Let's go. That's how we start the week off, boys. Up about $608 in each account. As you guys can see right up here, I show my executions and everything. This is just like, what more do you want from me? Wow, what a trade, boys. We got in right here, held all the way through, TP smacked. You're probably gonna hit but in that 15-minute reject that area before. Well, we're good. Take that money out already, bro. Hey, we stay with our rules. You know, I don't care if we're, a point away from getting TP. I'll stay in that trade until we hit TP or break even. How has trading with this PA been for you, bro? Honestly, we started off pretty rough on this challenge, I would say. For example, these are all the trades that we've taken this month, right? Obviously, not all of these are just executions to the one side. It's both sides. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, about 28. So we took about 14 trades on these accounts. And, we started off really, really rough, but we caught a really, really nice, flow that we've been in. These are the stats for these challenges. And, we have a 51% win rate, which I know is not the best, but I was literally $200 away from blowing these accounts, and now we're at almost 52K, and I can take out a $10,000 payout at 53K. So yeah, that is everything that we have for this trade. Today I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my day for the rest of my day. It's we got done in about 20 minutes today. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow 9:30. So if you guys caught this trade, make sure you put it in the free Discord. There's a success tab. Fill it up. Wordle. Oh, I do got to do the Wordle. All right, let's do the Wordle real quick. If you guys do decide to use, get some accounts with Tradeify, make sure you use code Zaim. Get yourself a little 30% off. All right, so there's a T and a E. Wow, okay, that was what's your strat win rate? I don't have I stopped caring about the win rate. There's a lot that goes into it, but if I had to guess, it would probably be in the high 70%. Every time I take a trade, I more than likely are gonna hit TP. I've been trading this strat for almost a year and 4 months, and it's got me a lot of payouts, so I'm gonna keep on trading it. Okay. Let's see. All right, there's an M, there's a T, there's a E. Up 350 on the day. Finally took something that wasn't break even. Let's go, Ben. Wow, let's go, bro. So happy. I'm trying to see if there's anything I can make with this word, bro. If we would have gotten that earlier entry, bro, we would have cost so much. We would have been almost up 100 points, but hey, I'm not complaining. I hit my TP for the day, so the trade that we lost Friday, we made it back already. So we're back on track. We're literally 2 days away from getting our 10K payout. So, yo, not gonna lie, I think I'm starting to understand way more trading and strategies. Yeah, the more you trade, the better you get, bro. It's just all all repetition. Bros, I accidentally entered with 16 columns instead of 8 on 2 accounts. Thankfully, on break even, I was so scared. Holy, that is scary. Alright, let's see. Bro, what can this word be? Can you guys help me real quick? I want to get off the stream. Alright, we got comment. Bro, this guy gave me the fucking. Alright, well, yeah. That's all she wrote, boys. Yeah. We're back at a $2,000 drawdown again, so that's always good to be at. What do you think about order blogs? They work amazing. Later, Sa. Hi, Fishy. Appreciate you helping me out. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna do a trade recap for the trade that we took today and yesterday. Well, not yesterday and Friday. That'll be uploaded on my YouTube channel, so make sure you watch that. If you want to get accounts with the best firm profitable, make sure you use code Zion at Tradeify. 30% off these accounts that I trade. Lightning funded. You don't even have to pass an eval, and we're about to get a payout on these accounts. I literally documented the whole journey, and we are about a third of the way already there, or no, we're about 66% there already. We just need this balance to say 53K, and we will be able to take out a measly $10,000 payout, and we'll be on Tradeify TV again whenever we request it. But other than that, you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm gonna go edit and hit some one-on-one calls with my students. I'll talk to y'all later, man.